back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to share with all of you some natural hairstyles that you can wear on a date. I am someone, especially in the summer, where I'm just like, I'm going on a date, but I don't want to wear weaves or any extensions. I just want to go with my natural hair. I have some hair ideas that I'm going to share with all of you, and maybe you might like one. Now, I decided to opt out from doing a braid out, a wash and go, an afro in this video because I'm like, those are just hairstyles and hair looks that we always wear and we always see in videos. So I really hope you all like this video. I'm not saying that I'm giving like brand new ideas, but something different than the typical that we always see. So if you're new to this channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more natural hair videos similar to this, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, Annesha.Adams, because we can stay connected outside of YouTube on Instagram, and I post photos on Instagram, and I'm always updating my Instagram story in real time. So if you're interested in seeing these natural hairstyle ideas just for a date, stay tuned and let's begin. So make sure your hair is combed out really well. No hairstyle ever works when hair is not combed out well. And I'm just using my big tooth comb. Now I'm going to part my hair, and I'm just doing really big parts because I want really big cornrows in my hair, because I just think for this style it looks really seductive. I'm just going to put the remaining hair in a bun. Now I'm going to begin with cane rolling my hair, and I do it very tight on my head because it just looks way better when your cane rolls are the tightest on your head. And I feel like when my hair is wet, that's when I'm able to achieve that. So I'm just gonna cane roll, not too low, but kind of low on my hair. And I'm going to explain why I don't braid to the ends for these cane rolls. So now I'm just gonna go on finishing the second cane roll. And again, as you can see, they're really big sections. Just gonna make sure that my hair is combed out very well. And again, I'm cane rolling, and trust me, if you're better at cane rolling your hair more than I am, you are definitely going to have your braids looking way better than this, okay? So as you can see at the ends of my hair, I just cane roll so they don't unravel, because my hair usually unravels, but I'm going to explain why I don't cane roll all the way to the end at the end. So now I'm just gonna finish it up with this braid, and we'll continue. So after cane rolling your hair, I would say do the bigger the braids, the much more nicer it is. You're going to go on with your hair tie, and you're going to bring your hair over to whatever side of your face that you like the most. I'm just gonna take out some of the ends. We're going to put the hair in the bun. I really want my bun to look a little bit more fuller. Once your ends are out, I'm going to choose this side to put it on. So you're going to go in with your hair tie and then make this into a bun. I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my baby hairs. I have a full video on how to do your baby hair, so I'm going to link that video on the screen right now or in the description and at the end of this video, so you all can watch that if you want to see how I style my baby hairs in a natural way, because that's more of my style. Onto the next hairstyle. Now you're just going to want to make sure that your hair is combed out well. Then you're going to go in and part your hair. Make sure it's a deep side part on whatever side, and then you're going to go in with your gel, and gel is just going to be used to make your hair look a little bit more sleek and laid down. I'm going in with my brush. This is my harder bristle brush, just to make sure no flyaways are going to be present and my hair is fully gelled down. After doing that, you're going to go on to the opposite side of the parting, and you're going to begin doing twists into your hair. It's going to be like a twist cane roll, and as you're twisting your hair at the front, while you're going down to the side, you're going to add in hair to the twist cane roll, and you want to make sure all your hair is added in well. And then you're going to go in with putting your hair in a ponytail, and you just want to make sure it's very tight. And once you have your hair secured tight, you're going to go in with a hair tie and secure it fully. You want to put your hair in a bun more than having it out, because it looks more sleek and more elegant just for a date night. And then I'm going in with my smaller brush just to lay down the flyaways all around my hair.
taking out hair at the front of my hair on both sides, just where the middle part would meet. And then I'm going onto the side of my hair by my ears, and I'm just taking out a small portion of hair as well. And I'm just emphasizing curls in my hair. Then I'm going at the back of my hair and I'm doing the same thing as well on both sides. So after doing that, you just want to make sure your hair is combed out really well. And I really focus on the ends of my hair combed out, because once the ends of your hair is combed out, it'll look much more bigger in what we're going to do next. So now you're going to go and grab up all your hair and put it in a bun, and make sure your bun is secured very tight. And then you're going to go in with a ponytail and you're going to secure the bun. I also pulled up the front parts of the strands of hair that I let out, because I was just like, I don't like how it looks. You want to make your bun very big. I have a full video on how to make your bun much more bigger, so you can watch that, and this is how it looks.
So that's it for today's video. Comment down below which hairstyle you would most likely wear. I really want to see what everyone's style is in regards to these hairstyles. I would wear all of them. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir.
Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.